So, good morning, Eric. Thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to bring you on board because I think you have a very unique practice that I don't have much experience in since I usually try to avoid litigation. And I love your energy and how you explain things. So, do you mind telling everyone a little bit about yourself?
No, delighted to do it. Thank you very much for having me on. I am an attorney at a law firm called FitzGerald Kreditor. We are located in Irvine. It's a 16 attorney firm. We're about to add four more attorneys next month, so we're going to be up to 20. I have been practicing for 26 years. I'm a graduate of Loyola Marymount University for undergrad and Loyola Law School in Los Angeles. I've been practicing in litigation all of that time. My focus has been on business litigation, real estate litigation, probate litigation, and more recently, I've been marketing myself and making myself available to attorneys as a last minute trial and arbitration specialist because a lot of attorneys are uncomfortable or could use a little more experience when it comes to actually trying and arbitrating cases. So since I have a significant amount of experience trying cases and I'm a member of the American Board of Trial Advocates, I make myself available to them either to consult about upcoming trials and arbitrations as to strategy, as to what kind of jurors to look for, as to like particular motions, evidentiary issues, or to come in and take over the trial entirely. So that's something else that I'm making myself available to people to do.
And so, how often does that happen? Like somebody to say, "Hey, you know what? I need your help to do everything."
Well, it does happen because a lot of times attorneys will assume that a case is going to settle because the statistics support that between 90 and 95% of cases settle. So when it gets close to trial, however, and it becomes apparent that a case isn't going to settle, then that attorney, unless that attorney is very comfortable taking matters to trial, basically has only a couple of options. One of which is to settle on terms that may not be as favorable for his or her client, or to go forward in a situation in which he or she may not be as comfortable because they don't have the experience. So there is a market for that, and there are attorneys out there who can use a little bit of help when it comes to going to trial or arbitration.